Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Araz EO on mobile. Araz EO is a fast-paced, tank-based multiplayer game that you can enjoy directly from your smartphone or tablet. There's no need to download any special applications. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the game's website. Ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection for the best experience, as smooth gameplay is key to dominating the arena. Once you are in the game, controlling your tank is straightforward. You will use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your tank around the expansive arena. The joystick on the right side allows you to aim your turret and fire your weapons. For continuous shooting, simply tap the screen to activate auto fire. Remember to collect the various shapes scattered across the map to gain experience points. As you collect experience and level up, you will earn upgrade points. These points can be spent to enhance your tank stats, such as health, damage output, and movement speed. Upon reaching level 15, you can choose to upgrade to a basic tank class, significantly altering your playstyle. Further evolutions become available at levels 30 and 45, offering even more specialized tank options. Experiment to find your perfect build. To maximize your success in Araz EO, consider a few key strategies. Early on, it is often wise to invest in defensive upgrades to increase your tank's survivability. In team-based modes, sticking close to your allies can provide a significant advantage. Practice unpredictable movements to dodge incoming enemy fire effectively. Finally, take time to learn the unique strengths and weaknesses of each tank class to counter your opponents more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.